Hey everyone, in this video, you're going to learn how to download VS Code on your Mac operating system. We are going to see how to download VS Code from a web browser. Also, we are going to set up your VS Code. Along with it, we are also going to see how to open VS Code directly from your terminal with only one command. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Before getting started, what is VS Code? VS Code is a cross-platform editor which is open source. It is used for various development purposes. And VS Code supports several kind of languages such as Python, Java, C++, HTML, CSS, Node, and so on. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Now, open your web browser. Now, type VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. Now, as you can see, the first link in your web browser, please click on it. Already, VS Code has recognized your system and given a stable built version for your system. Please hit download. Once it is downloaded, please click on it. Visual Studio Code is unzipping. Now, go to your downloads. Here, you can see that VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, has successfully installed. Now, go to your Launchpad and check whether the application exists in the application folder or not. As you can see, in my applications, there is no Visual Studio Code present. So, what do? Now, we drag this Visual Studio Code from downloads to the application folder. Now, again open your Launchpad and check if it exists. As you can see, the Visual Studio Code appeared on your Launchpad. Now, double click on your Visual Studio Code. After verification of Visual Studio Code, it gives a pop-up telling it is downloaded from the internet. So, directly hit open. As you guys can see, we have successfully installed and opened Visual Studio Code. Now, open your terminal and check if you are able to open Visual Studio Code directly from a terminal. To do that, open your terminal and hit code space dot. It shows command not found. That means the terminal or the operating system is not recognizing Visual Studio Code. For this, kindly head towards the link given in the description. Now, here you can do one thing. As you can see, we are going through the documentation of Visual Studio Code. You can directly copy given command here. If you are using bash and if you are using ZSH, you can copy this command. As I am using bash, we'll copy this and directly paste it on your terminal and hit enter. Now I bring up my terminal and I paste it. Now I hit enter. Now as you can see, we have successfully pasted the command. Now again we'll give another try. Restart your terminal and again try code space dot. Now you can see we have successfully opened Visual Studio Code on your Mac operating system with the help of terminal. In the next video, we'll be seeing how to set up your Visual Studio Code.